Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XDC. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XDC. And once again, this is the 1 month chart. XDC pulled back with the rest of the crypto space. I look at it as another buy the dip moment. And you want to be buying as much XDC as you possibly can at 5.5 cents. Because at some point, this crypto is going to take off and it's going to leave so many people behind. So many people are still overlooking XDC. And you know, when you're talking about trillions and trillions of dollars inside of digital trade, you need to pay attention. It can set you financially free. XDC R3 core to settlement coin. And we know XDC is the settlement coin for R3. But there's a big argument going on right now around crypto. You know, everybody in the XRP community, they want XRP to be tied to every announcement that is ever made. They seem to forget that there's going to be other cryptocurrencies inside that new financial system. And these cryptocurrencies are going to work side by side and they're going to work together. SBI gave us a good look at that because they chose to work with XDC and partner with XDC for digital trade. Then they went on to partner with Ripple so they could utilize XRP for bank-to-bank payments and cross-border payments, side by side being used by one company inside of R3. That's exactly how it all comes together. But because XDC is the settlement coin for R3, it's very important to pay attention to this. R3 has been recognized in Gartner's Inc.'s 2023 Hypercycle for blockchain and Web3 as a leading player in tokenization. Tokenization is going to be absolutely massive in the future. And R3, I think, is going after a good percentage of that. And that's going to add value to XDC as well. But R3 is no joke. I mean, look at this. They're tied to banking and markets, supply chain, healthcare, digital ID, telecom, real estate, insurance, energy, trade finance, and digital assets. And everything is already being built out as we speak. Then there's Impel, ISO 222 Financial Messaging API, and R3 Core to Bridge. The future of finance right in front of our eyes. So why do businesses choose Impel? Faster payments. We offer real-time payment settlement instead of the current 2+ day standard via the central banking system. XDC can be included in the financial messages payload for instant settlement, either owned outright by the sender or borrowed as a low-cost solution for instant settlement from a community-supported XDC pool fund. Military-grade security. Transactions are routed through a secure API that leverages L2 security developed by a team with decades of experience, providing secure technology infrastructure for banks and fintechs. Each validating node on the XDC network is KYC compliant and features built-in forensic monitoring to quickly target bad actors. Incredibly easy technology adoption. It's simple and easy to implement Impel's API for traditional financial messaging, and it's identical to the current Swift API standard. So it's low cost, it's secure, and it's very easy to use. So you know in the near future, businesses are going to want to utilize this technology. ISO 222 compliant messaging. Impel's financial messaging meets the ISO standard, which is quickly becoming the global language for financial messaging. That's why I always said we haven't seen any value come from ISO yet. That value is going to start rolling in after November of this year. Plus, around XDC, you also got to pay attention to September of this year, when digital trade starts to go live as well. No cost except gas fees. We don't charge implementation, annual membership, or per usage fees. All you pay is the XDC network's near zero gas fee to send messages and payments. That's how we offer an extremely low transaction cost, just a fraction of a cent per transaction. And once again, it's very simple to use. And when something is simple to use, people will want to use it. XinFin's partnership with TFD is thanks to Andre Kosterman, current CEO of TFD. Andre is one of the key pieces of the XinFin project. He is the current president of the International Trade Association. 24 years working at SWIFT as manager director, leading technological innovations in interbanking payments, commercial financing, and corporate payments. He achieved the association of SWIFT with the International Chamber of Commerce. You know, right now, all over crypto Twitter, everybody talks about XDC being a scam coin. It's never going to be used in the future. All you have to do is look at Andre. This guy's been working with SWIFT for 24 years. You know XDC is going to be integrated with SWIFT in the very near future. It's going to be moving money on a daily basis. That's why I keep telling you, you got to stack it while you still can at 5.5 cents. 10 most reliable projects currently in India. Now guess what? XDC is one of them. Bridging conventional finance with blockchain innovation, XinFin, co-founded by Indian entrepreneurs, redefines the convergence of traditional finance and blockchain technology, empowered by a hybrid blockchain network. XinFin reshapes global trade and supply chain financing, positioning India as a pivotal player in enterprise blockchain solutions. You know why that's so big? Because India is one of the BRICS countries. And India liking XDC, that means in the future we could see XDC positioned very well inside of BRICS as well, around digital trade. I'll talk more about that in a minute. 5 cryptocurrencies to buy under $1 this week. And anybody overlooking XDC at 5.5 cents needs to really wake up. You know, everybody always looks at XRP or they look at XLM. But you know, if you really want to diversify and invest in all three, you're holding all 3 X coins. 3 cryptocurrencies that are going to move a majority of the world's money in the near future. Concrete results of BRICS Trade and Economy Meeting. Advance digital and green development, promote stable supply chain, support MSMEs, strengthen multilateral trade system, expand BRICS Plus cooperation. Emerging economies are making all efforts for global growth. But take notice how they talk about the supply chain and the trade system. Like I said, because India likes XDC, most likely we'll see XDC tied in with the BRICS as well. Bitcoin is highly secure and decentralized, but lessens scalability. A significant channel facing this entire crypto market. In September 2022, Ethereum was converting its mechanism into proof-of-stake consensus. Now, you know why I don't like Ethereum or Bitcoin? I know those 2 cryptocurrencies are not going to be part of the new financial system. They lack the utility that XDC has. But the one reason I bought XDC early on is right here. It's because it's a hybrid network. Hybrid Internet of Things. Hybrid blockchains can prevent security threats for Internet of Things devices and simplify the integration of different Internet of Things devices. And Internet of Things is going to grow out and expand, especially when it comes to smart cities. Trust among enterprises. Hybrid blockchains can enhance transparency, dependability, and trust for companies. Supply chain. The hybrid blockchain is ideal for supply networks since it's extensive and requires private and public information. Many logistic firms such as the IBM Food Trust are already using it to make the food supply chain more efficient. Everyone from farmers to wholesalers and distributors participate in this network, with Walmart also actively involved. Banking. Hybrid blockchains are a good option for finance because banks need to secure user information while resolving internal issues. Government use cases. Governments can use hybrid blockchains for public identification databases, electoral voting, humanitarian and social aid, medical records, and acquisition processes. Global finance and trade. XinFin utilizes a hybrid blockchain consisting of Quorum for private information and Ethereum for public data in financial applications. Their objective is to establish a hybrid platform for global trade and finance. That's what made me buy XDC very early on, is the fact that it's a hybrid blockchain. And that's why I continue to buy it up as well. But then you got to look at the XDC utility. The XDC token is the underlying utility token that powers XinFin's hybrid blockchain. The XDC token acts as a settlement mechanism for dApps built on the XinFin hybrid blockchain. To date, use cases built around XinFin's XDC utility token are My Contract, TradeFinex, Chroma, Land Registry, iFactor, Block Decree, and Torrent Pay. But the list goes even beyond that. And you know, XDC right now at 5.5 cents, I can't stop stacking it. Because I had the vision to buy this crypto so early on, and I never lost that vision. And now I'm starting to see it all come together. Like I said, September, we're going to start to see the value inside of XDC. And that value is going to continue into November with ISO. But until then, we got to stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.